I feel more confident about my skin. I feel more confident about my appearance. I don't have to think twice about, how I would look. I don't have to think before going out. So I feel more confident. Friends, they ask me, what did you do? How has your skin improved so much? And some of them have even downloaded and started using Cureskin App. So I started having a very dry and patchy skin, and you can see, the weather is very humid in Pune. And I would sweat a lot and end up scratching my face all over and irritating my skin all the more. So it was very frustrating to be scratching your face all the time in front of everyone, and it was disheartening. I was disheartened. So honestly, I came across Cureskin accidentally. I was surfing on Google Play, looking for some other apps to download. That's when I saw Cureskin and downloaded it instantly. The app is very easy, and it's very easy to use. It's hassle-free. You can shoot your question on the chat window anytime you want. Any question related to your skin, related to your hair, you will be answered. All my follow-ups were taken up by Dr. Leena, and I must say, she is extremely friendly. She makes me feel comfortable and explains, asks me how my skin feels, how do I feel. Now those same friends, they ask me, what did you do? How has your skin improved so much? And some of them have even downloaded and started using Cureskin App. I highly recommend Cureskin to people who have any kind of skin or even hair related issues. So you must give this a try, and they don't have to worry about appointments. They just have to download the app, talk to the doctors, tell them about their skin problem, and be rest assured that it will be cured within a month or in some time.